On today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to plant a tracker to your phone, so get your phone ready and let's go.
Firstly, go to your Google Play Store or Apple Store, then search Pray, P-R-E-Y. You say Pray Anti-Theft Security, tap it. After tapping on it, it will bring out the application. After that, install the application. I'll put the link to download the application in the description part. Install the application. After you've installed it, press open. It will bring out some things, then press start. After pressing the start, go to permission. Press go to permission. It will bring out some permission, then you press allow for everything. So it will have access to some things in your phone. Then it will bring out another permission again. Then you on it. After tapping on it, it will take you back to the application. Then press activate this device administrator. After that, you have to create an account. You have to register your name, your email, and you have to put a password. And then you have to confirm that you are over 18 and you accept to their terms and conditions. Then you will have to send the verification and activation to your Gmail. After that, you go to your email to activate the account. After you've activated it will take some minutes, then it will bring out a message that verification is successful. So then press continue. Then we press next. It will load for some minutes. After that, it will bring out this message. Then it will take a picture of you in the back camera and the front camera, and then it will tell you the location of your phone. Then you press next. Then they'll bring out some configuration. Then you press home. Then you log in. You press your password. After pressing the password, you log in. Now let's imagine your phone gets missing, so you can use another person's phone. Just go to the browser, maybe Chrome or any browser. Just go to the browser, then search Pray Anti-Theft. theft, login, then search it, then press login. You have to enter your email address, then login. Then you have to enter your password. Then you log in. After that, you can register like 3 devices into an account. So I only have 1 device in this account. So you can check the location of the device. If you set the device as missing, you can check the location. You can see the face of anyone with the device. So if you set it as missing, you go to the reports, then it will show you all the information about the device, what is happening to the device currently.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.